But I think one of the biggest challenges is to creatively infuse the brand style with the content style. We tend to be a little bit radical at idealaunch with our graphics, and we like our writing style to be a bit radical as well. But when you begin infusing great content, informational content with your brand, it really starts to come together. And the key pinnacle for all performance, if we were to define great content, in my mind, it would be content that's performing, content that's engaging, content that is keeping people coming back for more. And the key to measuring that, which we're going to see in a second, is tagging a date that all of the content that you publish on your website is published. By tagging that date, you can begin to correlate things like improved listing positions, increased traffic, decreased user acquisition cost, time on site. That's really the key. Let me spin through 7 really quick metrics for performance, and then we're going to dive right in with Heather. So one of the key things that we look for and are held accountable for is improving listing positions, naturally, right? We're like an outsourced SEO content marketing company over here, creating content, but also optimizing the content and helping clients improve their listing positions. So notice in the bottom of this chart, this is another word vision graph, but what we're doing is we're actually, our technology is keeping track of how many content assets we deployed on a monthly basis correlated with improved listing positions. And we can begin to see that correlation, which becomes imperative and critical. Here's another correlation of increased traffic and those content assets being deployed on a monthly basis. We can also look at decreasing user acquisition cost. What did a lead cost us versus how much content did we pump out on a month-to-month basis? As we produce more content, we should see user acquisition costs decrease. We can look at tracking repeat visitation and engagement and do some neat stuff there using your using your analytics account. We can look at time on site using analytics accounts. How long did people stay on a page? And what happened when they left that page? What's the stickiness of the content? What action did they take after they read that content? And of course, we can look at improved conversion rates. And this happens to be some A/B testing technology that we were running for a client where we demonstrated a 17% lift in conversion rates over the original and some of the experiments that we were running. We can also look at very granular how many leads have been generated from content asset downloads on our website. This shows that Susan Schaefer, who might be on the line right now, who knows, downloaded something from our Content Marketing Center. We can also look at the sales that were generated from those leads, again, in people that attended a November or an October webinar blast and actually converted into a sale.